This is a Lego vending machine. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Bricktastic Lego Ideas. Also, you are welcome to comment your thoughts for future videos on mocks I should make in the future. I will not say no to you. Also, at 50 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. I've got the prize ready, and I will do the giveaway video the exact day I get 50 subscribers. So please subscribe, ask your friends and family, subscribe, or subscribe on another YouTube channel, even make another Google account to subscribe. So yeah, please do so. Thanks for watching.